In this video, I am going to show you a simple, easy and powerful pocket option 15-second strategy that you can start to use right after watching this video to make profitable trades for lifelong. So without doing any delay, let's get into our core topic. Firstly, you need to make all of these currency pair favorite that have high payout, 92%, 82%, 85%. You can just make it yellow and all of these will appear in this way at here. Once you have done that much, then you need to select the candlestick S5. That means each of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. And then you need to, if it is flag at here, make it clock and then select S15 as a trading time frame. So your trade will end in 15 seconds. And you decide the amount that you want to invest in one trade. Now what I will do is, firstly I'll explain you the exact strategy, the indicators that you need to use, and then I will exactly show you by making few trades and you can see how it works like a charm. So the indicators that you need to implement in this chart are only two, that is Keltner channel and zigzag. So you can find these indicators at here, Keltner channel and zigzag, and you don't need to make any changes to its default setting. Everything is fine. But instead, if you are using any other broker, then you can pause this video and use these exact settings to use the exact strategy that I am going to show you in this video. So as you can see here, this strategy is extremely simple. Okay, I'm going to show you something to explain this even better. But here also you can see whenever the candles are out of this Keltner channel and zigzag is making an end at here, after that the reversal have happened at here. In this exact time you should make trade by clicking on lower is in these points. Okay, and you will see these points in real time. Okay, so now let me show you some screenshot and explain this. So here is one trade I have made before and I'm going to exactly show you this trade also, but let me explain you firstly. Here you can see zigzag is pointing at here and candles are out of the Keltner channel, and at that exact time if you see this kind of chart, you immediately make trade by clicking on lower. This is the condition 1 to make trade by clicking on lower. And here is another condition. Candles are out of the Keltner channel and then zigzag is pointing at the end at here, and at that exact time if you see this kind of chart, you make trade by clicking on higher. Now what I will show you is by making few trades, 5 to 7 trades. You watch that, but before that, one important thing. If you want to make profitable trades like these automatically in your account without trading by yourself and by copying our trades with the help of social trading feature of pocket option, then you can join our VIP copy trading channel. Before joining our VIP copy trading channel, firstly you need to join our free Telegram channel, and the link for that will be in the description of this YouTube video. And in that free Telegram channel, you will see the instructions on how you can join our VIP copy trading channel to copy our trades automatically in your account. Now watch the exact 5 trades that I have already made. And don't forget to like this video.